If you are facing a profile not changing issue on iCloud, here's how you can fix it. First, open Safari and go to the official iCloud website. After that, sign in to your iCloud account. Once you're signed in, tap on Profile, then tap on iCloud Settings. Scroll down and tap on Change Apple Account Photo. After that, go back to the home screen and open your Photos app. Tap and hold the image you want to add as your profile picture. Then drag that image to your iCloud profile picture and simply release it there. After that, tap on Save Changes. Now check if it's working or not. Yes, it is. That's it for the video. If this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe.